Once upon a time, in the golden age of molecular biology, the early 1950s, a scientific legend was on the hunt for the secret of life. His name, Linus Pauling, two-time Nobel Prize-winner, a genius in chemistry. The man who had already unraveled the structure of proteins and reshaped how we understand molecules? But in 1953, Pauling made a bold move and a big mistake. He proposed that DNA, the molecule that carries our genes, was made of 3 strands twisted into a helix. Yes, a triple helix, not 2 like we know today, 3. And the phosphate groups, he put them at the center of the spiral. That's like stuffing dynamite into the middle of a sandwich. Phosphate groups are negatively charged. They would repel each other like magnets. The whole thing would blow apart. But Pauling was working fast. He didn't have access to Rosalind Franklin's sharp X-ray images. He didn't even know about the A and B forms of DNA. He built his model based more on intuition than data. He sent his paper to a journal. No peer review, no detailed evidence, just confidence. Meanwhile, in cold and cramped rooms in Cambridge, 2 younger scientists, James Watson and Francis Crick, were quietly working with Franklin's data and building a better model. And boom! Just months later, they revealed the correct structure, the double helix, 2 strands, bases in the center, phosphates outside. Elegant, stable, correct. Pauling? He was shocked. His triple helix was wrong, but he took it like a true scientist, gracious in defeat. And here's the twist. If Pauling had asked Franklin for her data or waited a few more months, he might have beaten Watson and Crick to the prize. Moral of the story, even geniuses get it wrong, and sometimes the race for discovery is won not by brilliance alone, but by timing, teamwork, and the right evidence. Science isn't perfect, but it's always progressing.